Are you fed up with mosquitoes and other pesky insects making your life miserable, especially during the warm summer months? Do you want an effective natural solution that doesn't involve harsh chemicals? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to make your own powerful mosquito repellent using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Say goodbye to itchy bites and enjoy your summer to the fullest. Mosquitoes aren't just annoying, they can be downright dangerous. These tiny insects are responsible for transmitting serious diseases like dengue fever, Zika virus, chikungunya, and more. Even if you're lucky enough to avoid illness, their itchy bites can ruin any outdoor activity. And with mosquito populations thriving in urban areas, it's more important than ever to protect yourself and your loved ones. According to the World Health Organization, mosquito-borne diseases cause millions of deaths each year. In fact, mosquitoes are considered one of the deadliest animals on the planet. But you don't have to be a statistic. By taking proactive measures, like using an effective repellent, you can significantly reduce your risk of bites and the diseases they carry. You might be tempted to reach for a commercial mosquito repellent. But beware. Many of these products contain harsh chemicals like DEET, which can cause skin irritation, rashes, and even more serious side effects if used improperly. Plus, the strong odor can be off-putting, and the oily residue they leave behind is just unpleasant. And let's not forget the environmental impact. The chemicals in these repellents can harm beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, and contaminate water sources when they wash off your skin. It's time for a more natural, eco-friendly solution. Mother Nature has provided us with a bounty of plants that naturally repel mosquitoes and other insects. Many of these plants contain essential oils that insects find unappealing, making them the perfect ingredient for a homemade repellent. Some of the most effective mosquito-repelling plants include citronella. This is one of the most well-known natural insect repellents. The distinctive scent masks the odors that attract mosquitoes, keeping them at bay. Lavender. Not only does lavender smell wonderful, but it's also a powerful mosquito deterrent. It's a great option for those with sensitive skin. Peppermint. The strong menthol scent of peppermint is highly effective at repelling mosquitoes and other insects. Plus, it leaves a pleasant cooling sensation on the skin. Rosemary. This fragrant herb is another excellent choice for a natural repellent. It's been used for centuries to keep pests away from gardens and homes. Basil. This popular culinary herb also happens to be a great mosquito repellent. Its strong scent is offensive to many insects. By incorporating these plants into your homemade repellent, you'll be harnessing the power of nature to protect yourself from mosquitoes. While the plants mentioned above are all excellent mosquito repellents, there's one ingredient that takes this homemade recipe to the next level: cloves. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has been shown to be highly effective at repelling mosquitoes, including the Aedes aegypti species that carries dengue, Zika, and chikungunya. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Insect Science found that clove oil was one of the most effective natural mosquito repellents, providing protection for up to 2 hours. That's comparable to some commercial repellents. Not only are cloves effective, but they're also readily available and affordable. You can find them at most grocery stores, either whole or ground. For this recipe, we recommend using whole cloves, as they'll infuse the repellent with their potent oils over time. Now that you know the key ingredients, let's dive into the recipe itself. Here's what you'll need: 500 milliliters, grain alcohol, at least 70% alcohol content, 100 milliliters oil, such as coconut, jojoba, or almond oil, 50 grams whole cloves. Instructions. Lightly crush the whole cloves to release their oils. You can use a mortar and pestle, or simply place them in a sealed plastic bag and crush them with a rolling pin. Place the crushed cloves in a dark glass jar or bottle. The dark glass will protect the oils from light degradation. Pour the grain alcohol over the cloves, making sure they are fully submerged. Close the jar tightly. Let the mixture steep for 4 to 15 days in a cool, dark place. The longer you let it steep, the stronger the repellent will be. Shake the jar gently once a day to help the oils infuse into the alcohol. After your chosen steeping period, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into another dark glass container. Discard the used cloves. Add the carrier oil to the infused alcohol and shake well to combine. The oil helps the repellent stick to your skin and moisturizes it at the same time. Your homemade mosquito repellent is now ready to use. Simply apply it to any exposed skin before heading outdoors. Be sure to shake the bottle well before each use, as the oils may separate over time. To get the most out of your homemade mosquito repellent, follow these tips. Apply the repellent liberally to all exposed skin, including your arms, legs, neck, and face, avoiding the eye area. Don't forget often missed spots like behind your ears and at your hairline. Reapply the repellent every 2 to 3 hours, or more often if you're sweating heavily or swimming. The oils can wash off over time, leaving you unprotected. For extra protection, consider spraying the repellent on your clothing as well. This can help create a barrier around your entire body. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test before using the repellent all over. Apply a small amount to your inner wrist and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation develops. While this repellent is natural and generally safe, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before using any new product, especially if you're pregnant or have health concerns. Remember, this repellent is just one part of a comprehensive mosquito protection strategy. By eliminating standing water, wearing protective clothing, using fans and screens, and growing mosquito-repelling plants, you'll create a multifaceted defense against these pesky insects. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your ingredients and start brewing up a batch of this powerful homemade mosquito repellent today. Your skin and sanity will thank you. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can take back our summers from the mosquito menace.